Advanced visuals, circles. I'm ready.
3062.
3062.
9557.
9557. Curving up, wavy up. Hard, moist. B, land. Take it again.
3062.
3062.
9557.
9557. A, curving over, across, hard, metallic, B, man-made, and I'll take it once more.
3062.
3062.
9557.
9557. A, curving over, sloping down, hard, solid, B, structure. Go to stage 2. Brown, close, edged, yellow, black, green, blue. Getting an AOL break of busy, bustling, large, angular, inside, around, dense, moving, airy, again dense and heavy,
Sounds, taste,
voices, fragrant, stony, gritty, angular, inside, clanking, dense, deep, open, metallic, gritty, smooth, moist, edged, clanking sounds, rumbling, mechanical, heavy, AI, it's let me just kind of get this. I feel like I'm holding something, and I'll get to the emotion behind it. Let me get this out. I feel like I'm holding something. I'm trying to hold on to something. The emotion behind it is like a little stress, like I'm trying to hold on to something that I can't hold on to. Like sand or water, you know.
But how's that making you feel? I mean, you feel
Well,
like
it's a little bit of stress, like I'm trying to hold on to water. It's going, you know, I can't do it, and so it's a little stressful. There's a better descriptor for it, like almost like a desperation. Like, you know, like I'm trying to hold it, but it's, you know, I can't. It's running through, you know, that kind of thing. So it's like a confusion. Like I don't know how to hold on to this thing. Like I don't know how to hold on to it.
So you like it, dislike it?
It's the feeling that I get from that perspective, is that I feel like I have to adjust how I look at it. I mean, it's not an emotion. I mean, the desperate feeling or the stress feeling is like my reaction to trying to hold on to you know, feeling this thing. And but I know that that's not how I hold on to it. You know, it's kind of metaphorical, but I'm going about it in a way that isn't the correct way. I'm feeling this thing. From a point of view, I know this is an emotion, but I want to just get it out either way. Of lack of understanding. I'd say, how do I feel? I feel like I feel kind of stupid. Embarrassed, stupid and embarrassed, because I don't know how to touch. How to touch or interact. With it yet.
I'm going to spray some insect repellent up there, off, because those bugs are getting on my audio.
Okay.
No.
Cover up here.
That should discourage them.
It's
just off.
They hightailed it quick.
Now we get some peace and quiet.
Okay. Well, that was a big AI, and so soft and squishy. Warm. Rubbery. Yeah, well, this thing here, it's like I want to grab, it's like I want to hold on to this thing. Metallic. Something that I can grip. And hold. Fits into my hand. Stage 4, sensory, dimensions, AI, EI, tangible, intangible, AOL, AOL, the signal.
Take your finger and slide around the edge and then across the top, that surface that you can get an impression.
Smooth and sharp, edged. Glassy, metallic, bumpy, solid, hard. Grooves. I can hold it in my hand.
Is that an AOL or what?
That's
AOL signal? I'm just trying to understand what that is. Never does stays.
Well, it'd be an intangible one. I'll throw it as an intangible. Give me this. A crown or cap. Speckled. Round. Object.
Let's do movement.
Okay.
Let's see. Moving in front of the target.
Moving in front of the target.
Something should be perceivable.
Something should be perceivable. Round and flat and open and dense. Black. Moving in front of the target. Something should be perceivable. It's kind of like curved. These grooves and bumps. Black and dark color. Sensory dimensions, AI. Tangible, intangible, AOLs, signal. It's dark in color, and it I'm gonna AOL the signal. It reminds me of a cheese grater. Yeah, like these slots. Slots here in these grooves. Angular. Compartments.
Okay, here's what I want you to do. When you get to it, let's make this a strategy. You've done the movement that goes directly in front, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you get ready, do a movement to go above.
Mm-hmm.
Focus your attention on from above, right?
Mm-hmm.
From below, and from behind.
Okay.
All right, I want to get all four of those. Whenever work through those, since we got all this time on our hands, right?
Okay.
And get a description from each perspective.
All right. A lot of grooves like compartments on the front.
Is that S4.5 or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna stage 4.5 that. Okay. Move above the target and something should be perceivable above. Angular, curved. This is dark in color. Smooth. Stony. hollow. Energetic. Feels like it's hot here. An AOL break here of a gun. Turning. Stage 4.5 this. There's an insert. A piece that fits in.
Put a with brackets around this part right here.
Okay.
And we'll revisit that later. Call it aspect A. Finish your movements.
Okay. For sensory dimensions, AI, tangible, intangible, AOL. AOL signal. You want to go from behind?
Yeah.
From behind the target, something should be perceivable from behind the target. Curving. Rolling. Cylindrical. Moving. Rolling. depressing. Boxy. Heavy. Black. Explosive. Mechanical. AI break here is it's weird. It makes me feel weird. Well, the signal there. It's like a press. I'll do a 10 rollers. Flattening. I'm gonna stage 4.5 this. If I go through them, I will get flattened. I'll get flattened. Sensory dimensions, EI, tangible, AOL of the signal. be this idea of bruised. It would hurt my skin. Let me stage 4.5 that. It would hurt my skin. Alright, you want to go inside of the thing?
Here, let's go describe from the bottom. I want all the way around the damn thing. We got a whole day now.
Okay. From the bottom of the target, something should be perceivable. From the bottom, angular, edged, pointed, sharp, cold, glassy, earthy, chemical smell, metallic, grooved, prickly. Smooth.
Okay, move directly in front of the prickly and describe. Or just put prickly
And
in parentheses. Describe it.
Pointy. Sharp. Faceted. Hairy. Sensory, dimensions, AI, tangible, intangible, AOL, the signal. Prickly. Clamping. Clamping down. Silver. Pressing. Sharp. Yeah, maybe stage 4.5 this. I would cut my hands on it. have to be cautious with it. It's delicate. Spiny. It's delicate. But there's some kind of danger. If not held properly.
All right,
Like I feel like I don't want to get cut by this thing, you know.
That's your AI?
Yeah. I don't want to get cut by it.
Is that the weirdness you were describing in terms of previous AI, or what? Why did you say weird? I mean, is there something about that on your previous AI?
Yeah. What was that? Let me feel it around on
That
there.
was only like a couple pages ago. It was an AI. Did you see it here?
Oh yeah. Makes me feel weird. It has a weird feeling to it. And I don't know how to use it. I can't figure it out. Like a puzzle. Scratchy. Just the weirdness is like I feel like my fingers are being cut. As I I have to be real careful with it. there's something else to that. There's a proper way to maneuver it. You have to go slow with it. Something lines up. Clicks in. Yellow. Hot. Let me get this down real quick. This redimension is AI, tangible, AOL,
It's 10.
Page 10. Oh, okay. Stage 4.5. This it needs to be handled properly. It needs to be handled properly.
Somewhere here you mentioned something about maneuver.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you're talking about?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. It's,
Why did you use that word?
There's like a this is what it feels like. It feels like a slow motion. To align something. And the maneuvering is like
Write down the word maneuver under intangible, whatever, vibration. Describe.
the maneuvering like slowly clicks in and aligns. it's a proper way of I'm going to say utilizing, but there's another word that's coming through that is like that. It's like moving it. There's something about the movement. It's very subtle, but precise. It's like clicks. Maneuver. There's a turning. It's like it's slowly turning. Precise. You know, like it's aligning. Slowly. That.
Okay, let's do movement. Describe the purpose of the alignment.
Describe the purpose of the alignments. The purpose of the alignment. There's an AOL here, just popped into my mind. Boat. Describe the purpose of the alignment. Like a straight line and settling and setting on that. Settling on the line, or the alignment. Precision. Let me do a sketch on that. So like it fits into a track. It slides in. Stage 4.5. The track is there already. The alignment. Fits in. Direction. Like a magnetism. Like due north. And natural alignment. Like a compass.
Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to do is put your stage 4 header.
Okay. We're going to 11? Or
that's 10, yeah, 11. And what I want you to do is, under your, I want you to transpose these into the proper columns. Because I want to be able to look down this thing and without having to, you see what I'm saying? Like magnetism would go under I, for example.
Right. Okay. So,
magnetism, and like a compass would be LS, whatever one you know.
All right. Like a compass. And I got magnetism. I got
a
natural direction.
Yeah, that'd be an I. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that like due north. Yeah, the signal like due north. And
what does this say?
the track is already there. Let me stage for
All right, so I don't know. You decide where track should go. That's a word, right? That's a noun. Where does it go?
Track would go intangibles.
All right.
Track, let me write it all out, is already there. Like a compass. Okay. It lines up. Slowly. Precise. That's, you know, the feeling that I get is this exactness. That it fits into.
All right, let's do a movement. I'm trying to think of what the phrase is.
What do you want to look at something specific in here?
What I want to do is get you to wink around the site more.
Okay. I want to pull back like 100 feet.
No, actually, what I want you to do, just
move to the left.
No, hang on now. What we're going to do is, all right. So, I presume this. Which direction is it moving? This thing. No, which direction is the track oriented? And we're. You said a track, right? A conceptual, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And this is going.
Mm-hmm. Like it feels like it's like I'm going north, but that
which
maybe
way
just
would
like
that be? What this thing? I'm trying to understand your description here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This thing is moving, right? And it's trying to position itself on the track. Is that basically it?
Yeah.
All right. So, which way would it move if it were on the track?
It would move that way.
Okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't want to put words in your mouth.
Yeah.
Right? So now, can you put an arrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Now then, so now comes the movement. I'm trying to the movement exercise. So up to now, we've been pretty much turning our focus directed at some object, right?
Mm-hmm.
That you've been trying to describe. Now what I want to do is basically, and I'll give you a movement for it, but I would like you to normalize yourself. You know what it means to normalize?
What do you mean?
Well, let's say that I have a audio signal, and or a mix of audio signals. I have 10 kilohertz, 1,000, whatever, and Some of the signals are very, very faint. Some are in the middle, and some are full swing. Right?
Mm-hmm.
To normalize means to make them all the same amplitude, the same size,
Okay.
regardless, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so what I want you to do is normalize yourself to whatever size this is so you can stand on it.
Oh.
Right? And look in this direction like you're standing right there, and describe.
Look down the track.
And describe.
Okay. I'll just say if I'm standing on top of the object,
Looking forward.
looking forward, describe.
That's right. Probe that sucker. Probe that
Looking
line.
forward and describe. I feel like I'm up in the air. Looking down. upside down here.
That means you work on your right brain function.
That feels. This is the position that feels right to me.
All right, so tell me what's going on here.
All right.
You can look at it upside down.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Unless you want
12. Okay, sensory dimensions and
actually, I may want to put it up here. Make sure it's in the camera.
intangible. Let me just stage 4 the whole thing here. There's an object with some kind of fitting on the bottom that is aligning into a track so the track is long. It fits into some kind of slot. Pieces in there. Like that. It's moving. It slides in. Very exactly. Very exactly gets positioned. How many S's? Hope you can read that with a sound video. And there's some other kind of movement, and there is some movement on the other end of the track. It feels like there's something getting pushed out. Like a momentum. Like a momentum. And then it slides.
All right. Let's do that. Well, I don't know. We've gone an hour and a half now. You hungry?
Yeah, I gotta go to the bathroom too. So we want to break.
Break at 1:05 or 13:05.
Break.